Welcome to the Blue and Green channel. In this video, I will show you how to download a watershed for any particular area across the globe from the Global Watershed portal. I will attach the link of this website in the description of the video so that you can use later on. Once you visit the portal, you will come across with this interface. Here it gives me two options, one for delineating the watershed and other for tracing the flow path, and we will try both of them. Just expand the option button and see the different options which are available here. So it's recommended to make the downloadable result button enable. To download the watershed, you either need to enter the coordinates or zoom in and click on your point of interest. Let's suppose I am interested in the Danube River and want to delineate a watershed downstream in the Romania. In order to delineate the watershed, you just need to click on it and press delineate. So here you can see it gives me the upstream watershed that is contributing to this point. Let's suppose we are interested in the sub-catchment from this parent watershed. What we need to do is just to click at there and delineate. So here you can see it is the sub-catchment of that parent watershed that initially we saw it. For the base map, it also gives you different options. You can try them. For better visualization, you can play with the opacity level. And to download, you just need to click on it and save the images. To trace the flow path, you just need to click on the downstream trace flow path. So let's suppose we are interested in this river and want to trace the downstream flow path. So from this point, you can trace the flow path of the river. In a similar way, you can download any watershed or trace any river around the globe from this portal. In order to see more such contents, please join us by subscribing to our channel and share with the colleagues.